Hello, if you're looking at this video, what you have clicked on is the Build a Simple Web Page challenge that we've set for you. Now I'm using here, we can see at the top of the screen, I'm using a site called www.w3schools.com, and the default that we're in is the HTML home. Now you can see that there's an example here of a very simple web page. Now this may not look like a web page that you would normally see, but if I click on the try it yourself, we can see that on the left hand side is the actual HTML coding used, and on the right hand side is what is produced. Now let me try this out. Well, if I type in "this is not a heading," there we go, and I click on run, we can see that now that's changed. Of course it was a heading, so I'm just going to edit that and undo, because this is a heading. There we go, put that there. So very straightforwardly we can see that we've got a very simple, and I mean very simple, web page. Alright, so that's all very well, but if I click on this link, Start Learning HTML, it will start to show me what is going on. There we go, my first heading, my first paragraph. Let's go back, and it starts to talk about HTML tags, web browsers and so on, and then it starts to give us a number of challenges, little tasks that we can use. Now what you should use if you're creating a web page, and remember you want to do this in one lesson, what you should use is a program called Notepad, which will be on in your computers, in your programs. So, and there's the one for PC. So step one, open Notepad. There we go, it's quite straightforward, and then we start to write some HTML. What you need to do is to follow the instructions and make sure when you save a web page you use the extension .htm. So whatever you're going to call the page, and then .htm. So your challenge in this lesson is to create a web page, and you need to be able to show it to your teachers by the end of the lesson.